Hi guys, today I have created this halo smoky eyes. If you are new here, I'm Tilaka. I'll be doing 2 new videos every single week. I'll be doing this halo eyes step by step. I know it looks complicated, but I'm gonna break it down for you guys, and I'm gonna make it easy. If you have hooded eyes like me, then I'm gonna be giving several tips for you. So I'm just starting from the eyes. I'm just priming my eyelids as always using a concealer from Elegant in the shade Warm Honey, and with this round fluffy brush I'm gonna blend that concealer. Once after blending the concealer, I'm gonna set my concealer with a translucent powder so that my eyeshadow is gonna pop out. We're gonna be using a lot of colors for this look. With a tapered blending brush like this, I'm gonna pick up transition shade. It's a burnt orange shade. I'm gonna blend that. I'm gonna apply the transition shade as high as possible above my natural crease so that my eye looks bigger and bolder. Blend the transition in and out so that the blending is very seamless and it looks very natural. I'm gonna take that same shade inner corner of my eyelids also, so that I get that arch of the color. I'll be depositing the products once I'm happy with the intensity. Till that I'm gonna be blending and I'm gonna be applying the same color. Once after applying your transition shade above your natural crease, it should look like this. And with a clean fluffy blending brush from Morphe brush, this one is E17, I'm gonna pack the dark brown shade on the outer corners of my eyelids, that is on the inner corner and the outer corner. For this halo eyes, you want to create the darken area on the outer and the inner corner of the eyes so that there is some light on the center of the eyelids. The main focus is the center of the eyelids, so we're gonna be darkening the outer corners. I'm gonna pack the color and then I'm gonna blend it. Go little by little, don't go over and deposit the product once at a time. Go little by little until you're happy with the intensity. And then with Morphe M18 brush, I'm gonna be mixing 2 shades. One is dark brown shade and another one is pigmented black eyeshadow. I'm gonna be packing the black eyeshadow. I'm gonna be packing those shades on the outer corner. And then blending the product on the arch of the transition, and then inner corner I'll be packing and then I'll be adding. I'm gonna be doing this until I'm happy with the intensity. Then with a clean fluffy blending blending brush like this. I'm just sorry for this. Brush like this. You're gonna be blend everything together so that you don't get any eyeshadow patches. I'm gonna be taking concealer on the lash line. I'll be looking up so that I'll get that line where I should apply the concealer. This step is necessary for the yellow eyes. Taking a shimmery champagne shade and then applying it on the center of my lids, and then with a reddish shimmery shade I'm gonna demark that same shade. So I'm gonna take that black eyeshadow and then I'm just gonna blend that reddish shimmery shade. After this, we have done the eye look. We will be doing eyeliner mascara at the end of this video. I'm cleaning my under eyes, and then after this I'm going to be priming my face using Pack Pore Filler Primer. This is a silicone based primer. So if you have open pores, this will be helping to reduce that and also help your makeup to be long lasting. This will give you a matte finish once you apply it on your face, as you can see now. After this, I'm just applying that MAC Radiance Primer. I'm going to be correcting my dark circles pigmentation around my mouth area using the illegal concealer in the shade orange. And this step is necessary if you have any darkness or any uneven skin tone on your face. I'll be blending that. Then with the loose translucent powder, I'm going to be setting that orange corrector so that it doesn't get mixed with my foundation. I'm taking the PAC 4.5 in number 4.5 HD liquid foundation in the back of my hand, and I'm going to be applying this on the entire face using a concealer brush. First, I'm going to be dotting this all over my face and neck, and then with a damp beauty sponge I'll be blending it into my skin. This foundation is slightly medium to full coverage foundation, so I want a medium buildable foundation. I want a medium buildable coverage, so I'm blending it using a sponge. You can also use a brush for full coverage. And then to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the same concealer in the shade Warm Honey on the high planes of my face. That is on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and then on the chin area, on the under eyes. Since we are doing the heavy eye look, we want our eyes to look bright, so we want to highlight our under eyes also. Once after blending everything, I am just setting this. So for that I am using the translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna pack that powder. I'm just gonna pack that powder, and then I'm gonna be blending it with the same sponge. With a flat shader brush like this, I'm gonna smoke out on the lower waterline also. I'm taking that black eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna smoke out on the lower waterline, below the lower waterline where you'll be having your lashes. I'm gonna smoke out over there. First I'll be packing that shade, and then I'm gonna be blending that. And with a pointed, precisely pointed blending brush, I'll be taking that dark brown shade which I used as a second transition shade. I'll be blending that black eyeshadow with this. Then I'm taking that burnt orange shade which I applied first on the transition area, and then I'm going to smoking out on the lower waterline. After that, with the shimmery champagne shade, I'm going to be highlighting on the inner corners of my eyelids. So for wing liner, I'll be using Inglot in number 77. First I draw a line on the outer corner using my lower waterline as guidelines. After that I am just dragging that line to the middle of my eyelids. I am going to be thickening that line and then filling in the gaps. If you are a beginner, you can use a liquid liner. Then on the inner corner, I will be drawing a very thin line using my lash line as the guidelines. Then I'm just extending my wing so that my two eyes look similar. Then on the lower waterline, I'm applying the kajal. For lips, I used very subtle and nude lips, because I have done a very heavy eye makeup, so I want my lips to be very natural and very nude. So for that I used Faces Canada lipstick, bullet lipstick in shade Pretty Sepia. I'll be giving all the product details on the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So after this, I'm going to be lining my lips with a dark brown lip liner. So I'm moving on to the eyebrows. I'm just doing the same steps, which is brushing the hairs and then mapping the lines and then filling in the gaps. That's it. Once after this, I'm just brushing it again. After this, I'm just applying the blush from e.l.f. blush palette. So I'm just doing the powder contour today. After this, I'm just blending everything seamlessly with a clean blending brush. For highlighter, I use the Faces Canada Ultra HD highlighter in shade Glare 01. I'll be using it on the high planes of my face. So we have come to the end of the makeup tutorial. If you guys love this makeup look, please comment down below Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that red subscribe button, also that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, this is me, Tilaga, signing off. Bye.